Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. So the battery life on an iPhone is how long it can work on charge before being recharged. Apple designed its iPhones to provide optimal battery performance. It takes into consideration factors like hardware efficiency, software optimizations, and users' behavior. But battery life can vary based on several factors including usage patterns, app activity, network connectivity, and device age. In Apple iOS ecosystem, updates such as iOS 17 can potentially impact battery performance. If you are noticed a decrease in battery life following the iOS 17 update, it's worth exploring the potential reasons for this change. So in this tutorial, I will show you some tips and tricks to save your iPhone's battery life. Tips 1. Enable low power mode. Low power mode is an iPhone feature that conserves battery life by reducing power consumption. For that, go to Settings app, find and tap on Battery. Under the battery settings, locate and toggle on low power mode. Tips 2. Configuring background app refresh. To do this, open Settings app, scroll down and tap on General, tap on background app refresh, again tap on background app refresh. Make sure that the toggle is on. Background app refresh involves managing which apps can update their content when you are not actively using them. This helps save battery by preventing unnecessary background activity and data uses. Tips 3. Adjusting display and brightness settings for efficient power uses. Unlock your device and make sure you are on the home screen or within an app. Open your iPhone's control center. Once the control center is visible, locate the brightness bar. Now decrease the brightness by dragging the brightness bar downwards. Tip number 4. Turn on Reduce White Point. To do this, go to Settings app, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Tap on Display and Text Size. Scroll down to find Reduce White Point. Turn on this feature if it's turned off. Tip 5. Turn off location services. Navigate to Settings, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Next, tap on Location Services and turn it off. Tips number 6. Turn on Optimized Battery Charging. For that, go to Settings, scroll down and find Battery. Tap on Battery. Next, tap on Battery Health and Charging. Turn on Optimized Battery Charging if it's turned off. Tip number 8. Turn off Fitness Tracking. To do that, go to Settings app, scroll down and find Privacy and Security. Next, scroll down and tap on Motion and Fitness. Now turn off Fitness Tracking. Tips number 8. Turn off iPhone Analytics and Routing and Traffic. Open the Settings app, tap on Privacy and Security. Now tap on Location Services, scroll down, Tap on System Services. Scroll down. Turn off iPhone Analytics and turn off Routing and Traffic. Tips number 9. Turn off animated cover art. Launch the Settings app. Scroll down and find Music. Tap on it. Next, tap on Animated Cover Art. Now select Off. Tips number 10. Turn off autoplaying video in the App Store. Head over to the Settings app. Scroll down and find App Store. Scroll down and tap on Video Autoplay. Now select Off. Tips number 11. Turn off Raise to Wake. Dive into the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on Display and Brightness. Turn off the toggle next to Raise to Wake. Tips number 12. Turn off Tap to Wake. On your iOS devices, go to Settings app. Find and tap on Accessibility. Tap on Touch. Now turn off toggle next to Tap to Wake. Tips number 13. Update software. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, tap on General. Tap on Software Update. Download and install the latest update. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.